Okay, today's lab is lab 11. We're going to do a Hooke's law and a simple harmonic motion lab. There's no computer involved with this. We're going to basically use our ramp and our cart and a couple of springs and some weights. And what Hooke's law says is that a spring has a certain property to it, and it's called a constant, a spring constant. It's measured in newtons per meter, and it's just that, it's a constant. It never changes. Now, we're going to measure this spring constant in the first part of the lab, and in the second part of the lab we're going to use two spring constants, but they're going to be exactly the same. There's not going to be any difference between them. Okay, what we're going to do in this first lab, it's simple. We have the cart hooked up with a piece of string to a pulley. And we have a spring attached to the other side. And what we're going to do is add weights to the pulley, and we're going to see how far the spring pulls. And we're going to do it in 20 gram increments. And right now, our cart is about right on the 82 centimeter mark. And we're going to add 20 grams to it, and we're going to see how far the spring extends. And when we add it, it looks like it went to about 80. And then we're going to add another 20. And this one seemed to have a little bit more of an influence. And it took us to about 71. And then another 20. Take us to about 65, and another 20 will have us finish up at around 59. So overall, we moved about 22 centimeters based on 80 kilograms of weight. And if you enter those entries into Table 1, you'll be able to come up with the spring of the constant, the K. Okay. I guess you should pause it.